Lakhain ko rahini Sarupathar constituency angkang Paklangso number hini along Sirwomu LP English School along Loke Charlie Klim Somaratum LKG pen ingdeng pho an Loke Charlie Klim Somar pangrumpet bang pho kebra kethom atumdo Labangso Sirwomu LP English School ke damtang pharo krisir kebra pho aningkan KADC ke do hut pen non Karbiang Autonomous Council mandate pen anta Loke Charlie awarsai lapen kachingthor awarsai kawe penajok Loke Charlie akrong printrili asonzi man bomlang Sirwomu LP School along Pirangke atum kahumri dam hut haladak ahawar arat lapen lothan dang atum pen Sirwomu LP English School aputak lamthe nangge pachini donke prabjin pen school along kachingthor awarsai ke doan nang piponanji Loke Charlie hem ke mimi det pen ajok ke Charlie klim somaratum non Loke Charlie aphan akisum nang mandet kinang sot ason laki school building mesen awilang LKG pen ingdeng pho mu marso atum non room ni met athem alongsi dotur pensi lo thanang bom la an chot kali mu marso atum kang nia thayave kitab ke bara thai kawe lapen bench desk blackboard chair table lapen Loke Charlie mu marso atum kijuya dim patru aklam boundary wall anta kawi side Lasi Prabjin pen kaching thora warsai ke doan nangke pali ponje aphan Karbiang Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang lapen KAC Education EM in charge Richard Togbiatum aphan sodak pen chuningri Lasi Lo Charlie mu marso atum aphan kanghon kangjin so pathera kinang sot ahor mu nangke pali ponje aphan si Karbiang Autonomous Council atum aphan lamthe chuningri pon Bokajan pen anantirang Karbiang Long